Greetings, tech enthusiasts. Have you ever been ready for a gaming showdown, only to find your mouse refusing to light up? It's frustrating, isn't it? Here are a few quick fixes to get you back in the game. Firstly, check the basics. Inspect batteries and USB connections. If all's good there, try software and driver updates. They often fix bugs and enhance performance. Still no luck? Try a hardware reset or test the mouse on another computer. If the issue persists, it might be time for a firmware update or even a physical inspection. And remember, regular maintenance is key to the longevity of your gaming mouse. If all else fails, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Game on!